Hey everybody, welcome back to my habitat. I'm Andrew Beauchamp, and today I'm going to be ripping out all of my backyard plants that are in pots, that is. We've officially had a killing frost, which has taken a lot of these plants. You can see this dahlia right here is just completely done. So I'm going to clean this all up, along with all of these pots as well. Of course, the strawberries I will put in my garage, but I will cut them back before I do that. Cucamelon here, excuse my shadow. We have a cucamelon here that I'm gonna have to rip down also. Peppers, there's one there, there's a few over there. I'm gonna be clearing them off of all their peppers while I'm getting rid of them, because I'm just gonna pick up each pot, bring them over to the table, and I'm gonna rip them out there. Just so I'm not bending over for, a half hour straight. These pots were beautiful all summer long, but it's finally time to rip them out. The foliage is all dead, but I'm surprised the flowers look so pretty. Stevia, I will be cutting back. I have 2 plants, and I will probably be hanging those up to dry them for tea. Arugula, we've picked a few times from it, but it's time to take that out as well.
Hey Andrew, what are you doing?
I'm harvesting seeds because the Silver Falls is very beautiful and I want to try to grow it. If it wasn't for it being in this pot, which I know I've seen earwigs in, I'd probably be trying to bring it inside because, look at this. That is gorgeous. It's so pretty. It literally is like, it's like hair. I think you said that, Daniel, but it's magnificent. So I'm going to try to harvest seeds. I already have a few.
Grow it again next year?
Yeah. Oh, and the seeds are just coming right out on the table. That's great. Look at that. There's a ton here. Excuse all the, that's a seed right there. If anybody's watching and they know that what I'm doing right now, these seeds aren't going to produce, please put it in the comments. Because I will definitely try to grow these. Okay. Goodbye, Silver Falls. Very sad. Very, very sad.
We'll meet again. Don't know where. Don't know when.
This is the melon that never ripened up. Just wanted to see what the inside looked like. Oh, lovely. It would have been very seedy. Oh, it already has a nice smell though. Like a sweet cucumber. Tastes kind of like a light melon even though it's not ripe. Okay, that's compost. This is very refreshing, but very sad at the same time. I'm gonna miss the garden, as I do every time this year, but I'm starting to look at seeds, and that video should be coming to you rather shortly, so that's always really exciting. It was a good gardening year. I think I also want to do a year in review with Daniel and kind of think about what we can do better next year, what we can improve on, what we think we can do better for our plants. Yeah, so that's all going to be coming your way rather shortly. But today I'm just really happy that I got everything cleared out and ready for the winter. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay gardening.